in this tutorial I will start off with differentiability. A function is said to be differentiable if it has a unique slope at every point. So if we consider a graph like this and draw a secant, say this point is B and this point A, and this is f of A and this will be f of B. So slope to this secant is f of B minus f of A by B minus A. So the slope to the graph at every point would be the slope to the tangent at that point. So the secant becomes a tangent when these 2 points become 1. So if the distance between these two becomes 0, then we get a tangent, something like this. So the slope to that tangent will be limit B minus A tends to 0, f of B minus f of A by B minus A. So the distance between these two becomes 0. Or it can also be written as limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is nothing but a graph and a tangent where at point x, and we consider another point that is distance of x plus distance of h from x, that becomes x plus h. This is the same as this, where b is replaced with x plus h and a is replaced with x. This is defined as the derivative of a function and is written as f dash x. So when this value exists and is finite, we say that the function is differentiable. And there are two types of derivative, that is the left derivative and the right derivative. So in the left derivative, this is the left derivative, and the right the left derivative has a minus here and the right derivative is a plus here. That's the difference. Let me show you an example. Let's consider a function f of x is equal to mod x. So we know that the graph of mod x is this. At x equal to 0, we see that it has two slopes. One is due to this line and one is due to this. Since it has two slopes at this point, the function is not differentiable at that point. Or we can say numerically as left derivative is equal to limit h tends to 0, left derivative of 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by minus h. So this will be minus h because we are taking a point before this. So limit h tends to 0. Since it's left derivative of 0, let's replace x with 0. We get mod 0 minus h minus mod 0 by minus h. So this becomes limit h tends to 0 mod minus h by minus h. Mod of minus h is minus of minus h, that is minus of minus h by h minus h. This becomes minus 1. So the left derivative at 0 is minus 1, and the right derivative at 0 will be limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So let's replace x with 0. We get limit h tends to 0 mod 0 plus h minus mod 0 by h. Mod h is h, so we get limit h tends to 0 h by h, that is 1. So we see that the left derivative is minus 1, right derivative is 1. So at this point we see these two are not equal, and so it's not differentiable at 0.